This poker table comes fully assembled. It collapses down and you can set this up in mere minutes and have your living room ready for game night. The company did send me this in exchange for this video. Here's a closer look. It has places for 8 players. Every player has a premium cup holder. This can be good for any type of card game or any type of family game. You could play board games on this. The sky's the limit. The casino grade felt reduces card shuffle noise, keeps the cards in good shape. Chips aren't clanking on a tabletop, nice and quiet. The rails are water resistant. They just wipe down clean. Overall, this table can give you that professional game night feel. I love that it breaks down and sets up super quickly. I think this is a way to take your entertainment and game nights to the next level.
This game is going to go down in history. All right. Check over here. Bet. Calls the bet. And a fold. And a fold. All right. Turn them over. 4 aces. What's that? A flush? No, it's a straight flush. Unbelievable. Straight flush beats 4 aces.